Hi there. Could you please give a brief introduction to your company?
Of course, yes. So my name is Jonathan Luke from Senselogix. We are an energy management company and we have a range of products that allow you to collect data from across your entire organisation and bring them back to one central location. And we actually work with many partners such as Marshall Tufflex and other large providers in this space to help them pull their products together and help customers get a true enterprise-wide view of energy and how it's consumed in their organisation.
And could you give us a description of your products?
Certainly. Here's an example of our dashboard. Our dashboard is unusual in that it's real-time data, and because we understand the cost structure of your organisation and how the energy is consumed in those costs, we can then drill down. So it's not just a plain static dashboard like most of them, but I can show you here. For example, this is giving us an example of system total energy for today. As you'll see, this changing subtly as it's updated in real time. This shows us our trends, and also because we understand the cost structure, we can show department view of data and also view users down to the user level. I can drill down further by looking into the departments. Here we've only got two set up for the stand, and I can drill down further. Clearly the stand lighting is the large consumer we have here today. I can drill down, look at the stand. I can see which of the two sets of lights that we have is consuming, and I can drill down further again, and I can actually get a power profile for the power today. And we focus on interactivity. So, for example, if I want to find out more information, I just drag over this, and it will zoom in automatically. I click on it, and it will tell me more and more information. And the idea here is information isn't just locked away somewhere that only an energy manager can focus on, but everybody in the organisation can actually see what they're consuming, and as a result can actually change their behaviour and how it impact the overall energy consumption of the business.
Main markets this technology is and the primary sectors that it's targeted to.
Okay. Our main sectors at the moment that we're focused on are universities, public sector, education. But what we're finding more and more is that since we have the global aspects of the product, there's a lot of corporates who want to understand how energy is consumed globally. And as a result, using our technology, we allow you to present a global view of energy, and we can then drill down. We can drill down by country, by site in each of those countries, and then you can go down to each site, each building on that site, and you can continuously drill down, because we understand this cost structure, down to the socket level if you need to, within each building.
And where do you see this type of innovation and your company as a whole going within the next 5 or 10 years?
There's a definite move that we're seeing that's trying to pull more and more information together in one place. Already today we're bringing in meter data, we're bringing in data from IT, and we're also starting to combine that, or we have combined that with control products. So for example, now we can turn off PCs, we can turn off vending machines, we understand when buildings are not being occupied. So the system becomes much smarter than a traditional BMS system. And so everybody wants everything in one place, all your energy data, but also the ability to close that loop and actually control that energy data and control that energy consumption.
And could you briefly touch on how you work with Marshall Tufflex?
Absolutely. So Marshall Tufflex are an important route to market for us. We're a relatively small business, and we see ourselves as a technology provider. And we work with people like Marshall Tufflex who have a well-established brand and standing in the market, and they require software solutions such as ours, which will allow them to tie their products together to allow them to offer a better energy management product or a better service. So we work with lots of service partners and also with product partners such as Marshall Tufflex.
And finally, what was the motivation for coming along here today to the exhibition?
Well, this is one of the key shows of the year for us. We've been here for the last 3 years, and it's been very successful for us. And it's just the place to be. If you weren't here, people would wonder why you weren't in this sector. To be.